Hello and welcome to the screencast on how to create a new class and make it active so your students can see it. So first of all, we have logged into Haiku and we are in our list of classes. And so you can see there are 3 tabs at the top. This inactive list are the ones your students cannot see. You also see that we have these classes that were already made. They have numbers by them because they were created by the district and they are linked to Aries rosters. We're going to ask that you do not use these classes, but that you make your own classes using this new class tab right here. So I'm going to click add a new class and I'm going to title it Science. And then you can write a summary if you want. I do not allow user nicknames because students might put an inappropriate nickname. I've had that happen, so I'm going to uncheck that. And I'm going to actually leave all of these blank right here. And you can pick which year it is as well. It'll be switched to 13-14 very shortly. And then I'm going to hit next. So basically you just have to name it. No schedule is required, so I'm going to click finish and I have a new class that was made. It's just a blank class. So there are no rosters attached to this. There is no content in this. This is just a blank template or platform for your class that we will add content and we will add rosters to. So in order to make this class active, let's say you have rosters, you have your content, you're ready for your students to see it. You're going to go to Manage Class in the top right. You're going to drop down to Make Active. And when you make it active, I usually use forever. You can have a date that it turns off automatically, but forever is just fine. This is a very important box right here. This says only people in the class can view this class. If you check this box, it makes it private, which means that all copyrighted material will be found behind a firewall and you are safe. If this is unchecked, it means that it is public. And you will want to do this for communication purposes with parents, but please do not add any copyrighted material to the public sites. So I'm going to make this private and I'm going to click Save. So now I can start building. Now if for some reason I need to go back and switch the public private option, I will go to Manage Class, Class Settings, and you can see right here only people in the class can view this class. I can make it public or I can make it private again. So it's found not only when you activate a class, but it's also found under the Manage Class, Class Settings feature, and it's this box right here. This is the private public. So right now you can see that it is private. So when I go back to my list of classes, this is called Science, you will see it is now in my active list. It's moved from the inactive tab to the active tab, and there it is right there. And you can see a lock means that it is private, and the earth means that it is public. Anyone can visit. So that is how you add a new class. Once again, we ask that you do not use the classes that were made by the district automatic import from Aries. And you know that because there will be numbers associated with them. There are also rosters in here, but we're not going to use those. We're going to import rosters into our manually created new class like I just showed you. All right, I hope this helps.